Hi, my name is Cindy Beall, and I want to invite you to the 5th annual Hope Rising Conference. It is an amazing opportunity put on by A Fair Recovery, and they have helped thousands of couples and thousands of individuals find healing in their own betrayal journeys. And I happen to be one of them. I have experienced betrayal in my marriage. Thankfully, God did a work and we participated in that work. And you might look at us, my husband and I, and you might think you can never imagine we've been through that, but we have. And so I recognize many of you right now watching this video, you're in your own pain cycle. Maybe it's a few days or a few weeks old, or maybe you've been on the journey for a little bit longer. And I just want you to know that finding community, finding people to come alongside you is so very important. Don't walk this journey alone. And so that's what this conference is all about. We have people coming to share with you hope as you live out your life and look to become the best version of yourself. So don't miss out. Sign up today. It is so worth it.